Hi, this is Emily Miller with Charlotte's Best Nanny Agency. Are you thinking about hiring a nanny or household staff in the Charlotte metro area or the Carolinas? Here are 5 reasons why hiring a nanny or household staff through Charlotte's Best Nanny Agency is a game changer. Number 1, our team has the local experience and expertise you are looking for. The agency is owned and operated by Carolina natives and has placed nannies and household staff in the Charlotte metro area and the Carolinas since 2012. Thousands of families have been successfully placed with quality nannies and household professionals in Charlotte, North Carolina, and South Carolina. Whether you need a nanny or household professional in Charlotte, Raleigh, Asheville, or Wilmington, North Carolina, or Greenville, Charleston, or Hilton Head, South Carolina, we understand what families in the Carolinas are looking for when hiring a nanny or household professional. Number 2, all placements are custom and tailored to meet each family's unique needs. Our proven 14-step placement process helps our team get to know your family's needs and expertly match your family with the best pre-screened nannies and household professionals who meet your needs. Number 3, we meet and exceed all professional standards. Our agency is a proud member of the Association of Premier Nanny Agencies, and we are members of the International Nanny Association. We meet and exceed all professional standards in the industry. We do not cut corners and are thorough in our pre-screening process. Each candidate goes through a pre-screening interview process, submits relevant documents, and we call 3 references and write a report for the family. We call all references in-house, and we never outsource references. Candidates also have to pass a full national background check as close to hiring as possible, including a criminal and civil inquiry search, sexual offender registry search, driving record search, and security watch list search. They also have to be CPR and first aid certified. Your family's safety is our top priority. Families also interview candidates directly and are able to call references and review the full background check, as we are a fully transparent agency. Number 4, our replacement search guarantee. We are proud to offer one of the only replacement search guarantees in the country that includes a one-time free placement in the first 12 months after employment for all long-term full-time placements. For long-term part-time placements, we offer an amazing 90-day replacement search guarantee. Number 5, backup and babysitting service. If your nanny is out sick or on vacation, you can request a backup provider through the agency. We make every effort to place backup care requests, but cannot 100% guarantee we will be able to confirm a backup care provider when requested. However, we do have a great success rate in the 90th percentile for successfully placing backup care providers for families when a nanny is out of work. Are you looking for a date night sitter or weekend babysitter? We also have an extensive database of babysitters that offer babysitting services on nights and weekends. Reach out to us and we can confirm a pre-screened, trusted babysitter to care for your children during your time away. Are you thinking about hiring a nanny or household professional in Charlotte or the Carolinas? If so, let Charlotte's Best Nanny Agency take the stress out of your search. With over a decade of experience, a proven placement process, and the highest professional standards, we've got you covered. To learn more, give us a call at 980-292-1045 or visit our website at www.charlottesbestnanny.com. We look forward to working with your family throughout your search for a nanny or household professional.